like a namaste. Make sure the distance between your feet is equivalent to the distance between your waist. Okay, here. Now we are stepping forward with the left leg. Left part of your body, left side, symmetry divides the body into two halves. So let's activate the left side more over the right side. So each. Okay, here. Looking straight. Make sure that you don't allow your back heel to be lifted up the floor. Okay, over here. In such a way that your body is extremely hanmi. The other half of the body is less or not visible. Okay, knee in the same way it has to come, brush both the hands. And the distance between the feet remains equivalent to the distance between the waist. Okay, now the other side, right side. Some off. Okay, again make sure you have extreme hanmi. Heel is not lifted up the floor. Go. This movement important. Okay, brushing on the toe and here. Is that clear? Okay, so when we make it faster, with the left side first, complete focus. Knee here. Some and hover. She hover. Okay, there may be an X amount of coefficient of friction. That friction depends on the flooring. If you do it on a tatami, rubber mat, friction will be a bit higher. If you do it on a wooden flooring, the friction will be slightly lower, depends on the quality of that flooring. And if you do it on a tile flooring, the coefficient of friction will be different. Okay? So you have to keep this in mind. Actual conditions may differ. These are the testing conditions, but the actual conditions, you may use it wherever required, may differ. Right? The body temperature may differ. The mindset may differ. The clothing what you're wearing, the shoes what you're having, everything can lead to different results as compared to the results obtained right now. So you have to try and test it in every environment, and then you have to calculate the average value. How is your striking rate and how does your body behave in certain situations. Is that clear? Okay. So everyone ready? Everyone ready? Okay. Each.